The third question or the third tip that we have is actually um, help the journal editors help you. So get the English right. Let's say use some edited services, sell yourself. That would especially be with a cover letter and also with the first page. And in a cover letter, you would be explaining really exactly what you need to do in order and what you need to get from this manuscript. So, telling me as an editor what you need to do with my manuscript accepted because it will give you this and this and this for the scientific community. Then also ensure that you have read what the instructions for authors are, what the topic, scope, and type of articles they welcome are, and also look at the final checklist prior to submitting. Some journals have it more explicit, some have it less explicit in their instructions for authors. Sometimes, if you're not sure, you might be able to also email the managing editor and ensure with this way that you have the best possible manuscript available for the submission. Another important point, especially in times of AI, even more, is to avoid plagiarism. This may be either self plagiarism, so you taking from your previous work, or it might be plagiarism taking from someone else. And also carefully address the reviewer's comments in case you get some after the first round.